In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the new zone modeling tool in version 2.52 release 18. We see in this model here we've already got a zone defined on the outcrop, and in VRGS I defined the zone as being the interval between two or more polyline sets. Let's look at how to create a zone. First of all, we go to our Collections tab and we define a pick. So I'm going to call this carb 2 and carb 1. So I've given us two separate stratigraphic intervals here. Then I go back to my interpretation tab, select carb 1, go to draw polyline, and we can choose an interval. So that's going to be my base surface along there. Double click to finish, and then carb 2 will be my top interval. Draw polyline again, but this time I'm going to put it in as two separate segments. Now we create a zone, and in that zone we define carb 1 as the base, carb 2 as the top. We can define an interval stratigraphy as well. Then we can regenerate, and now you see that interval between those polylines, between this single polyline on the base and a set of polylines across the top, has been infilled with a colour based on the interval stratigraphy. Now these zones can go across the boundaries between different meshes, as we've got here. So I can quickly switch on there we go, there's the top surface and the base surface for that zone. You can see that that goes right the way across a mesh boundary. These zones can be switched on and off. I'll switch the picks off. Can be switched on and off very easily.